Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English, Upper Intermediate 65, War Film. In this lesson, you will learn how to exchange opinions in English. We will talk about asking for people's opinions, how to give your own, and how to disagree with someone. Here are some examples. What did you think of the movie? I think it was brilliant. Let's begin. We are now going to watch a short movie. Two friends went to see a film, and now that it is finished, they share their impressions of the film. Listen to how they describe the movie.
So, what did you think of the movie, Jen?
I thought it was all right. I'm not a big fan of war movies, but this one seemed realistic and interesting. How about you? What did you think?
I thought it was brilliant. To me, it was more than just a war movie. It was complex and profound.
Really? I agree it was interesting, but profound? I don't know about that. I mean, it was okay, but still, it is a war movie. I'd rather see a movie that has more of a story.
But I think this movie did have a very good story about human nature, not just about war.
Really? Human nature?
So many of the characters in the movie thought that the war was terrible, and they kept trying to avoid fighting. I thought the way they talked about it was so poetic. It was brilliant and moving.
I guess so. But there were so many sad scenes, and so many people died. I think I was in the mood for an exciting movie today.
I see what you mean. I thought the movie was outstanding, but it was heavy. Let's go.
Now let's talk about the language of the movie. The friends do not agree with each other about the movie. One friend asks the other for her opinion. Do you remember what she said? She said, "What did you think of the movie, Jen?" We often use think of when we ask for an opinion. It is polite to use someone's name when asking them a question. If you do this, put the name at the beginning or end of the question. Jen, what did you think of the movie? Or, what did you think of the movie, Jen? Her friend answered, and she then asked, "How about you? What did you think?" I think it was brilliant. When you answer, you don't need the word of. There are many ways to agree or disagree with someone. In the movie you saw, a few useful expressions are used. The woman, Jen, did not like the movie. She used polite phrases to disagree. For example, she said, "I don't know about that." I guess so." Really? All of these are ways to suggest that you have a different opinion, even if you don't say it. It is now your turn to practice speaking. I will show you part of the movie. Watch the people. Then listen to me. Repeat what I say.
So, what did you think of the movie, Jen?
What did you think of the movie? Repeat. What did you think of the movie?
How about you? What did you think?
How about you? What did you think? Repeat. How about you? What did you think?
Really?
Really? Repeat. Really?
I don't know about that.
I don't know about that. Repeat. I don't know about that.
I guess so.
I guess so. Repeat. I guess so. Well done. You have now practiced asking for opinions and disagreeing politely. What did you think of the movie? I think it was brilliant. Really? I don't know about that.
Honey,